Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about creating the Canvas apps as Dataverse solutions by default. But before that, here is a short intro. Creating a Canvas apps as a Dataverse solutions by default is in a preview at this time. Unlike model-driven apps and most other objects, makers can optionally create their Canvas apps outside of a solution and outside Dataverse. Microsoft has announced a public preview of Canvas apps in Dataverse solutions by default. Okay, and this can lead to unhealthy ALM practices if the Canvas app solutions has been created outside of Dataverse, right? And this will create more overhead for DevOps teams and admins as they have to when they try to automate their ALM processes. Okay, how to enable this Canvas apps creation as Dataverse default solution by default basically. Okay, this Canvas apps in solution feature is disabled by default. So if you want this feature to be available to us, we have enabled it. To enable this particular feature, what we have to do is we have to go in the environment's advanced settings, then product settings, and toggle the feature called as create new canvas apps in Dataverse by default. Make this particular toggle button to on as shown in here, right? And then click save. Then this will be available in your particular environment. The default behavior. By default, whenever this feature is enabled, okay, whatever Canvas apps we create will be saved in default solution named as common data service. This one, right? And it will be published by Microsoft Dataverse default publisher. This is available as a Microsoft Dataverse default publisher. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see this in an action. Right now, I am in my Power Platform Admin Center. I am logged in with my developer account, as you can see in here, right? So what I have to do to enable that feature is I have to go to the environments. This is one of my developer environment. As you can see, my type of environment is developer. If I go and click on these three ellipses and go into the settings, under these product settings, I see the features. Scrolling at the bottom, I see the feature called as create new canvas apps as Dataverse solution. That feature is in preview right now. What it says is new canvas apps will be created inside a Dataverse solution. This makes applications portable between environments. With these settings on, your users will likely need security rules updated for this environment. So if I click on, it will again ask me for confirmation. Like when this settings is on, all apps will be stored as solutions in Dataverse. This means your user will likely to need security rule updated. Let's say yes and hit save. So my setting has been saved now. Now I go into my Power App portal, Power App environment. I am in the secret device environment where I have enabled that feature. Okay. Let me just go and try to create a new app. Okay. Let me go and create blank app called as HR applications. Create. It will take a couple of minutes. Let's take this. I'm not going to do anything fancy in here. Let me just add one simple button in the screen one. Open insert pane and add this rectangle. We don't need to do anything. I am just checking the feature is enabled and saving in the solution library or not. Okay, let's run it for the sake of its working. Click OK. Let's go to File and save this to Cloud. Provide the name as a Charlie application, and it is going to be saved in environment Figure the Ways environment. Click on Save button. My Power App is being saved. Let's wait for it to complete the operation. Now it's saved. Let's go back to our Figure the Ways environment. Okay, I am in Figure the Ways environment. Now, if I go into my solutions under this common data service default solutions, I will see the HR Live application, which is generated 51 seconds ago. If I go and try to edit, I will see my same application. It will have that button, which we have already put that, right? So as you can see, my application has automatically been stored in this common data service default solution one go, and how we can enable and that feature and use it so that all our applications will be available inside this particular service. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment, and share. See you in next video. Bye bye.